it off the field that's been mowed already. It's blown up all on the fences.
Look at this one right here, the bale hay in the tree.
Brick house here, roof damage. Horse trailer over there, totally trashed. Roof damage. These people, they have some roof damage, but their little house next to cemetery got trashed. See the place back there is dark. House see their blocks.
Look at the trees. Look at all this stuff in the trees.
Holy shit. Oh man,
Look at all the metal just lying everywhere. This house was there.
Look at how far into the woods that metal went.
that was a trailer right there. That was a frame of it. That was a metal frame.
And look how big the trees are that are now. You know? Sue and Elmer couldn't even get out of their driveway because they had trees down. You go slow. I mean, it looks like a war-torn area. Now you see why the National Guard was down there. So many homes were done. Look at this place. This was a newish house. It's gone. It's gone. Next house. I've been to that house for a yard sale. It's gone. You see why the National Guard was on this road. Oh, yeah. We actually had 2 twisters. One that morning and one that afternoon. The afternoon one's the one that killed Earl. And one of the twisters had a little sister twister next to it.
Somebody's kitchen floor.
They call them.
Parts of somebody's car.
There was a house over there by those trees. It's totally gone. All that's there is sitting in some trash. A lot of this you couldn't even see before because the trees are so thick, you know. But because a lot of it's
Never seen so much damage.
well, Alabama did it this one. This is different, a small section. I mean, yeah, so many places got hit. This house is fairly new. They got roof damage, but the home is still there. This old trailer didn't even get hit. This house suffered damage. JD's, that's JD's quick stop. The beauty salon got some damage. Ronnie Smith, you can see all the stuff they're burning. He got damage at his place. That's where we used to go and buy gas.
Yeah. I recognize it by the little 1, 2, 3, 4s in the newspaper article.
That little building on the end used to be where you used to buy, you know, rent videos when you used to rent VHSs, you know.